Mr. Ashish. Welcome to the 6th edition Business Emerging Businesses by BW Business World. So we have few questions for you, shall we? What is your take on the budget 2025 if we talk about the particularly MSME sector? Anything you want to highlight out of that?
Yeah, so thank you, Kashish, for giving me this opportunity to speak. Regarding this 2025 Union Budget, I think there are many things which are there for MSME, and government focus is also on the MSME. So if you see from the funding point of view, the government has come out with a doubling of the guarantee scheme for the MSME, which will boost up the funding to them. And most of the lending organizations will be interested to lend them also. So that is one area which is very, very important. Along with that, they have increased the limit of the turnover limit and the plant and machinery investment in MSME, where the many companies which were not covered under MSME, now they will be covered. So lakhs of companies will under MSME, so they will also get the advantage of the MSME benefits which the government is offering actually. So from 250 to 500 crore, it's a big jump in the entire MSME sector actually.
Apart from delayed payments and debt issues, what are the biggest challenges MSMEs face in these times and how can they be addressed?
So although a lot of things have been done by the government, they have made it compulsory that the 45 days is the maximum for payments and all. But still, we are not ahead of it actually. Many MSMEs are facing these challenges. And the large organizations are playing basically while they are taking the services from MSMEs. They are, if we see the gray area, they are saying that don't issue the bill. They will ask the bill only when they are making the payment actually. So practically they are bypassing the government regulation and government requirement, and MSMEs are facing these challenges. So government should work out some kind of, I think, portal where whenever the MSME is giving the service, the bill should be uploaded to the portal, and from there it should go to their customer. That will help them to, I think, control that violation which they are doing actually.
The budget includes provisions for green initiatives, but long-term incentives for MSMEs to adapt sustainable practices are still limited. So what strategies can small businesses adopt to scale sustainability while managing costs?
So green, I think it is a compulsion thing actually. So global warming is happening, and this is not the MSME. I think the large corporate individuals, me and you also are I think bound to follow the sustainability this thing. So for MSMEs, because they have limited funds also, limited I think resources. So they are trying to do the process re-engineering through the sustainability, buying the raw material which are green. They are putting some rooftop solar plants also, which is bringing them in the RE power kind of, which is, I think, helping them in the sustainability. And you see there are certain maybe steps they are taking actually, but I think again there is just something which is missing in the entire ecosystem from the sustainable point of view. So till now there is nothing has been come from the government side for MSME in the sustainability. So there should be like solar rooftop by MSME, there is no incentive, but solar rooftop by individual, there is a subsidy on that actually. So these kind of initiatives can help them to go on the sustainability side.